In this video, we'll be showing you how to update booking information or change the product purchased. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. If you are looking to change a purchased product, then first note the product ID of the item you want to update the product to. You can find this information in the Tickets and Products section of the Event Management menu. Then from the main navigation, head to Reports and then Bookings. Select the relevant year and event name from the Select Event drop-down list, and then click on the appropriate first or last name of your customer to update any information. A modal window will appear where you can change any of the information, including the product purchase, regardless of the event. This is where you'll need to use the product ID you noted earlier to ensure the correct product is selected. You can also amend the answers to any product questions asked. Click the Update button when you have made your changes. And that's it. You can now successfully update booking information or change the product purchased. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.